My hands are off the keyboard. They're staying there. Two keys. That's all I'm about to touch. This is speech to note for Mac. I speak and it types for me. And there it is. This video is all about getting it installed and working on your machine. There are two ways to do it. You only need to follow one. One note before I proceed. The Mac app is in beta, so you may see improvements and changes as new builds are released. First method, the fast one, a single line in terminal. To get started, head over to speech2note.com. Once you are there, hover over platform in navigation bar. From the drop down, click on Mac app. Click the copy button next to the command. This will copy the command to your clipboard. That's it. The command is now ready to use in terminal. Now open terminal on your Mac. You can do this by pressing command and space together to open Spotlight. There, type terminal and press return. Once terminal is open, click inside the window and paste the command you copied earlier. Now press return. Give it a moment to finish. Once it's done, the Mac app should be installed and ready to use. And that's it. The app is now successfully installed and ready to use. If you prefer to skip the terminal, you can install it the usual way. First, open your web browser and go to speech2note.com. Once the website is open, hover over Platform in the navigation bar and select the Mac app. Next, click on the Download for Mac button. The .dmg file will now start downloading. Once the download is complete, we are ready to install the app. Now go to the Downloads folder. In the Downloads folder, file the .dmg file you just downloaded and double click to open it. A new window will appear with Speech to Note app and an application folder. Now simply click and hold the app icon, then drag it onto the application folder. Once the installation is complete, press Command and Space together to open Spotlight. Then type STN in the search bar. Then select the app from the result to launch it. Since this is the first time you are opening the app, Mac OS may show you a warning saying that STN is an app downloaded from internet and ask if you are sure you want to open it. Click Open to continue. The app will now launch and you can start using Speech to Note.